Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. My name is Tali Sante and today I'm bringing you a fresh new video which is going to be about how to survive in Ghana as a foreigner. Ghana is not a war zone, no. The name is Tali Sante. Get Tali Sante. I'm just giving you advice on things you can do to make your stay in Ghana more bearable and more exciting. So my first piece of advice would be to be open-minded. If you're coming from the Western world where you're used to having unlimited electricity, you're used to having Wi-Fi, you're used to having hot water on tap, you need to realize that Ghana is a different playing ground. Depending on where you live, you might not necessarily have water coming out of a tap and you might actually have to go and get water. You might not have electricity 24/7 and sometimes we experience something they call doomsor. Doomsor is when the lights literally go out, and in those moments Ghana can be so exciting. Because it means that you have to get out the house, you have to go and speak to your neighbours, you have to try something new. And I really think that's what makes Ghana, Ghana. My next piece of advice would be to come prepared. Come correct. Make sure you have all those essential things that you need. Things that you think you can't live without. So I'd always say, bring at least 3 or 4 power banks that are fully charged. A power bank to charge your phone, your laptop and your appliances when the lights go out. And if you can get your hands on this, try and get a battery powered torch. So when doomsor happen, you've got a backup plan, like you're prepared, you're prepared and you have your torch, you have your, your power banks to charge your phone. And also advise you to get those mini torches which can connect to your keyring, connect to your bag. So if you're outside and there's not enough light or the road is not well lit, you can use your torch to find your way around. Do you get me? My next piece of advice would be to find somebody trustworthy. Find a local Ghanaian or somebody that lives in Ghana that can be a source of help. They will be your source of information. If you need help in getting around, finding a place to buy things, try and find somebody that can help you with these things. If you're like me and you're from Ghana originally, try and reach out to your cousins in it. Try and keep that relationship going. So when you're in Ghana, they can actually take you out, they can entertain you and they can support you. If you're not Ghanaian and you don't know anyone that is Ghanaian, I would advise you to join platforms like Couchsurfing Ghana, or join these groups on Facebook that are full of local people that are willing to support people that are coming to Ghana. My third piece of advice would be to get your groceries, get your gifts and get anything you need from an open market. So places like Makola, Kejetia, Domi markets, there's literally so many local markets where you can find whatever you need. And by going to a local market, you're saving yourself a lot of money. And also, you're supporting the economy. The vendors that are in these markets are local people that are literally hustling and haggling and just trying to make ends meet. So by you going to an open market, you're not only helping yourself, but you're helping Ghana as a whole. When you do go to these markets, guys, I have a lot of tips and tricks to survive in those markets. When you go into this market and you're a foreigner, please, I beg you, don't try to look fleeky. Don't try to impress anybody. I personally go to the market like Makola or Kejetia in my house clothes. I'll be wearing some chalorite and just, trying to stroll my feet, because if you try to go to the market looking fleeky, with a Gucci bag, your hair on fleek, your makeup, you're going to be hot, number one. And also, you're going to draw a lot of attention to yourself. And when you go to try and like buy an item, the vendor is probably gonna bump up the price. I'm not saying everyone does this, but I think about 80% of Ghanaian vendors increase the prices for foreigners, because in their mind, you're from abroad, you're from the Western world, and obviously you have money. And if you can, try and get somebody else to go with you. I personally always go to Makola or Kejetia with a local Ghanaian. And when I need to buy something, I told the Ghanaian, like, you know, look, I want to buy that bread over there. Could you please buy it for me? Because the minute I open my mouth to even say, can I please get some bread? Best believe the price is going to be like exaggerated. So if you can get somebody else, try and get a local to buy the things for you, just to save you a lot of money. My next point, leading on from that, is you need to know how to haggle. Do not accept the first price you're given. If you're going to buy, let's say, a pair of earrings and the vendor tells you, oh, it's £5 or it's 5 cedis, just tell them, oh, I have 2.5 cedis. Is that okay? Would you accept 2.5 cedis? And they'll either say no or they'll either say yes. If they say no, just be like, so you're not going to accept 2.5 cedis? They'll be like, no, that is too low, madam. Just be like, okay, thank you very much. I'll come back later. And just turn around very slowly. The minute you turn around, I'd say 70% of the time, 50% of what they told you is actually the price. So the minute you actually turn around, they might actually call you back and say, oh, madam, it's fine. Bring the money, bring the money. So like, you need to learn how to haggle in Ghana. Never accept the first price. Always try to slash it in half. If they don't accept it, then just walk away. Don't try to go and haggle in like ShopRite, or only haggle in places that don't have a fixed price. Because if you go to ShopRite, the price is already there. The price is set. There's no way the cashier in ShopRite is going to give you a discount. Those are the things that will help you as a foreigner to survive in Ghana. Thank you for watching. See ya!